We can arrange component positions with horizontal or vertical arrangement. Drag 4 horizontal arrangements to the screen. Drag phone number picker to the screen. Drag 2 labels into the horizontal arrangement 2. Drag 2 labels into the horizontal arrangement 3. Drag button into the horizontal arrangement 4. Use component phone call to make a phone call in our app. Drag it to the screen. It is an invisible component, so it shows below the screen. Let's change some properties of the components. We can set both the height and the width of the horizontal arrangement here. Set the width to field parent. Do the same thing for the component phone number picker 1. Change the text of phone number picker 1 to Browse the address book. Set the width of horizontal arrangement 2 to field parent. Change the text of label 1 to name. Clear the text of label 2 to empty string. Change the text of label 3 to phone. Clear the text of label 4 to empty string. Set the width of horizontal arrangement 3 to field parent. Set the width of button 1 to field parent. Change the text of button 1 to dial number. Now we finish our design of user interface. Go to Blocks to make these components work. Use Initialize block to set up events when app launches. Drag Initialize block to the screen. Use block set button enabled to enable or disable a button. Drag it into the Initialize block. Drag the false block to the previous block. Set up the events when button 1 is clicked by this block. Drag it to the screen. Use block set phone call 1 dot phone number 2 to set the number to call. Drag this block to the button clicked event. Use label 4 dot text to read the text of label 4. Use block call phone call 1 dot make phone call to make a phone call. Drag this block to the previous block. Use block when phone number picker 1 dot after picking to set up event after user pick a phone number. Drag this block to the screen. Use block set label2.text2 to show the name which user picked from the address book to the screen. Drag it to the previous block. Use block set label4.text2 to show the number which user picked from the address book to the screen. Drag it to the previous block. Use block phone number picker 1 dot contact name to read the name which user chose from the address book. Drag it to the block set label2 dot text2. Use block phone number picker 1 dot phone number to read the phone number which user chose from the address book. Drag it to the block set label4.text2. Use block set button 1 enabled to enable button 1. Drag it to the previous block. Drag the true block to the previous block. Let's test the app on the emulator. The dial button is disabled when initialized, so it cannot be clicked now. Now we choose a phone number from our address book. Choose a person whom you want to contact. The contact info will appear on the screen, and the button is now enabled to use. Click this button to dial out.